How to fix Instagram not updating to its latest version. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your app is not updating to its latest version. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store and check for updates. I'm assuming you guys have done that, so even if you do that and you don't see an update button and there are some features that's not available to you, then the first thing you need to do is go to your Instagram's app info, long press on your app, tap on its app info, and once you have done that, head over to storage. Now you are just going to clear cache, and once you have done that, all of your cache will be cleared. Go back and make sure all of the permissions are allowed on your phone. After you have done that, go to the battery uses and make sure that it's set to unrestricted. And after doing all of this, just go ahead and try to uninstall the app and reinstall the app. And after that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem still persists, then what you're going to do is open up your Instagram, go to your profile section, head over to your settings, and scroll down. Here you will see the help section. Tap on it. Now you're just going to report a problem. Now just go ahead and tap on report. And from here you can tap on don't include and continue. So you can briefly explain here that you're not able to update your Instagram up and then just go ahead and send this. Instagram's help and support team will reach out to you within 1 to 3 business days. And after that, they should bring out with a possible solution. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.